Hello guys, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can claim a free 8k funded account. 8k dollars funded account. As you can see right here on the screen, I'll be showing you how you can get it. Yesterday, I've been wanting to make a video about this free 8k dollars funded account, but the reason why I didn't make video about it is because I've not been able to get mine that yesterday, and I don't want it to be that I am making a video that is not well confirmed and when well checked on. All right, so right now I've gotten mine and I will be showing you how you too can get your own for free right here in this video. All you have to do is to watch this video to the very end, and I won't be talking for so long. Yes guys, and I'll be showing you detailedly because a lot of people have been dropping comments that the videos are not good and all of that. I'm sorry guys for a lot of errors and all of that. This video will be detailed and all of that. Okay, so now the first thing you have to do in order for you to claim this free 8k dollars funded account is for you to go to the description of this video and also in the comment section, click on the link that you find there and you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. For those of you who already know my Telegram channel, you know what it looks like, and for those of you who don't know what my Telegram channel looks like, let me show you. My Telegram channel is a place whereby I drop free funded account and non-deposit bonuses and money making update every single day. And for example, today I've dropped a particular money making update and I've been able to withdraw from it. Okay, and now that you've got into now that you've joined my Telegram channel and you've clicked on the link that you find there, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Exactly. And I want you to know that a lot of people have gotten their own account already, and these are the proof right here on the screen. As you can see, these are the proof right here on the screen that a lot of people have gotten theirs and they've started trading already. Now I'll be showing you a coupon code that you'll be using to get this free 8k dollars funded account, because you'll be using a particular coupon code. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. So the second step in getting this 8k dollars funded account is for you to click on claim account. All right, so once you click on claim account, just hold on and make sure you verify that you are not a robot, that you are a human, right? So let's hold on and verify. Just be patient with them. Okay, be patient. So to verify, all you have to do is to click on this box and wait for you to verify, and as you can see, the verify has been successful. So here are the steps that you are going to be taking in order for you to claim your free 8k dollars funded account. This is a funded account, you don't have to deposit, like I said. So the first thing is for you to register, the first thing is for you to verify your OTP code, and the first thing is for you to go through the social registration, the reviews, and bams, you are done. So now let me guide you through how you can do all of these things because they are not easy. And also you might be needing a coupon code. You'll be getting a coupon code. I will show you how you can get the coupon code. All right, so now that you've gotten to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your full name, your email address, and select your country and click on this box. Now I want you to note this: make sure you are entering a valid name, a valid email address, because you'll be receiving a code and you'll be verifying your code and all of that. Okay, so make sure that everything you are entering is valid. So let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So now that I've clicked on continue, the step 2 is for us to verify our email, and as you can see right here on my screen, and my OTP code has been sent to me. Okay, my OTP code has been sent to me. So what you're going to do is for you to go to your email account, and if it has not been sent to you yet, just click on send another code. Okay, so all you have to do is to go to your email and enter the OTP in this box. Let me show you right here. Let me show you the box that you enter your OTP. So fill in your OTP right here, and once you are done, enter your password and click on verify your account. Now let me get back to you after I'm done with my own. So after entering your password and your OTP code, all you have to do is to click on verify, and this is what's gonna happen after you've clicked on verify. Just click on save for better login next time. So this is where you'll be taken to after you've clicked on verify. Like I said earlier, there are 5 steps that you're going to be taking, and this is the 3rd step. Right, so watch this video carefully because this is where it's going to be tougher. So now the first thing you want to do is to join their server by entering your Discord name right here and by clicking on this join discount. So click on this join discount. Let me show you Discord. Let me show you. All right, let me show you how to go about it. So click on join Discord server. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to your discount account. And for those of you who have not yet downloaded your discount account, just go to your Play Store and download your discount account and click on accept. So once you've clicked on accept, you'll be taken to an interface like this. All right, so you are done with that part. So just go back, click on go back, and make sure you enter your discount username right here. So once you're done, make sure you join their Telegram channel. All right, so let's go. So this is their Telegram channel. This is their Telegram channel. Make sure you join. So once you've joined, you can go back again. All right, so you can now, the next thing for you to do is for you to enter your username, and also make sure you join their Twitter, make sure you join their Instagram, and enter your Twitter name, your Twitter username, and all of that. So once you're done, just click on this box, and once you're done, click on verify. Click on verify that you're a human, and once you're done, just click on submit verification. So once you're done, you'll be taken to the next step. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly and show you the next thing you have to do. And also very soon I'll be showing you how you can get your discount code, so make sure you watch this video carefully, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, all right. So once you are done with the third step, this is where you will be taken to right here on the screen, and this is the one step to go. All right, so claim your free 8k dust gravity account. Complete each stage and ensure you input the right information. So the right one is for you to click on plus, and once you're done, just click on complete review. Okay, just click on complete review. As you can see, your wait list slot has been secured. And as you can see, now for you to get the full details and for you to be able to get your account fully, once your account has been well reviewed and has been well authorized, they will send you a message to your email account. All right, to your registered email account, they will send you a message, and that is where you'll be seeing your details. Okay, so the next thing for you to do right now is for you to click on dashboard, click on open dashboard. So click on it. As you can see, the dashboard is still under construction. We are currently finalizing the trading dashboard. Please check back soon. So a lot of you might feel like this is not legit. Come back soon. A lot of people have gotten it, and the next thing for you to do will be sent to your email account. How you are going to proceed next, the rest will be sent to your to your email account. So make sure you stay active and you will receive a message from them. So for those of you that does not know how the message is going to look like, right here on the screen, this is how the message is going to look like, and this is the coupon code. That this might not be the particular coupon code that may be sent to you, and it might be a general coupon code, but you are going to receive an email that has their coupon code. So once you've gotten the email that has their coupon code, let me show you the next thing for you to do. As you can see, this is the kind of message you'll receive. This is it right here on my screen. Okay, so now once you have received the message from them, all you have to do is to make sure that you log in, just like we did the other time. And once you are done, your dashboard would have finished under construction. Okay, so you now see a space. For most of you who has already watched my video, you now see a space whereby you have to enter your coupon code in order for you to get an account. They will say that you should pay. So inside that the coupon code, all you have to do is to enter the coupon code that has been sent to your email in order for you to get it for free. Enter the coupon code, and once you enter the coupon code, you'll be getting it for free. As you can see, this is the proof right here on the screen that a lot of people have gotten their own for free without depositing any amount. This is it right here on the screen. All right, so if there is something you want to discuss about, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want more Profem account, drop Profem in the comment section, and I'll drop more Profem account for you. Just drop Profem. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first person to claim it. I love you all. Bye.